quickly! Hurry!
Chicago police managed to interrupt a nighttime invasion on a manufacturing plant. One assailant died at the scene, while one remains at large. Expect delays within Parker Square as police have set up roadblocks.
Squad, we got a green light on CTOS search. Scanning for suspect now. This is Squad, we got a green light on CTOS.
Shit.
Squad, we got a green light on CTOS search. Scanning for suspect now. All units, be advised. Squad is beginning CTOS scan for suspect. This is Squad, we got a green light on CTOS search. Scanning for suspect.
Everything went to shit. Eddie's dead. I left him back there. Oh man, the cops came out of nowhere. This is bad. Just follow the route and keep an eye out. The cops are still searching.
Your route's gonna get us killed. Sit back and keep quiet.
Just damn, it's a patrol car.
I see it.